Everyone, welcome back. I'm Akila. In this video, let us see how to display the date and time in the Power BI report. There are few functions. Let us see the difference. Let me write a measure. This measure is to display the current date. So to display the current date, we have a function called today. So when I call today, current date. See, it is considering 12 a.m. as the start of the day and it is displaying the time alone along with the day. So if I want the exact accurate time, then I may need to use UTC now. The UTC now will give us the date and the specific exact time as well. And there is another function called UTC today. UTC today will give us the current date, but it will not specify the exact time. It gives us only the date and time as today. Hope this is useful. Thank you.